हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखते हैं और आई एम श्योर आपने ऑथर्स के नेम याद कर लिए हैं. फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट का H.G. Wells, राइट? सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Towards the close of the story, Griffin defeats all efforts of Law to nab him, yet he is not a winner. Discuss. So though Griffin successfully foils all efforts, वो सारे efforts जो मिस्टर जैमर्स के थे, जो कांस्टेबल थे, उनके सारे एफर्ट्स को फेल करने में पूरी तरह लग जाता है टू नैब हिम, येट वो विनर नहीं हो पाता बिकॉज ही इज वंस अगेन लेफ्ट टू फेस द विंटर चिल विदाउट क्लोथ्स. क्योंकि वो दोबारा से उसका क्या होता है, अपने आप को चेज, अपने आप को एस्केप वहां से करने के लिए उसको सारे क्लोथ्स निकालने पड़ते हैं. एंड टू बी विदाउट क्लोथ्स इन द चिली विंटर्स ऑफ लंडन वो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. सो ही हैज टू रोम एमलेसली इन द सार लेन्स ऑफ आइपिंग, penniless and without destination. कोई डेस्टिनेशन नहीं है, पैसे भी नहीं है, कोई घर नहीं है, अपने आप को वार्म करने के लिए कपड़े भी नहीं है. तो ये सब करने के बाद वो उसको मतलब he was left as a wanderer in the streets of Iping. At one point in history, it was unimaginable for human beings to fly like birds and talk over long distances. एक टाइम अगर हम हिस्ट्री में देखें तो उड़ के कहीं भी जाना बर्ड्स की तरह या फिर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेस पे बात करना ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता था. Then came the airplanes and the telephones. बस उसके बाद airplanes and telephones आ गए. Keeping this in mind, do you think invisibility might also become possible one day? क्या आपको लगता है कि invisibility भी possible है? Do you think it will benefit mankind in any way? आपको क्या लगता है invisible होना mankind के लिए कभी possible, क्या कभी फायदे की चीज होगी? So there is no limit to imagination as well as to the ability of mankind. ना तो हमारी imagination को restrict किया जा सकता है और ना ही हमारे efforts को. इंसान कुछ भी कर सकता है, right? So limit to imagination as well as to the ability of mankind. The scientific inventions have proved time and again that human beings can make every dream into a reality. हर टाइम पे ये हमने प्रूव किया है कि इंसान कुछ भी रियलिटी तक पॉसिबल कर सकता है. If man has reached the moon, the invisibility might also be possible. अगर हम मून पे जा सकते हैं तो इनविजिबिलिटी भी बहुत आराम से पॉसिबल है one day, but it is difficult to say whether it would benefit mankind in any way. लेकिन इनविजिबल होना मैनकाइंड के लिए, इंसानियत के लिए क्या फायदेमंद होगा ये कहना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. Scientific temperament must be developed in school students. Write two arguments in favor or in against this motion. So scientific temperament fosters the ability, fosters means बढ़ाता है वो ability को कि आप logically सोच पाए and rationally. Right? Now these qualities are easier to develop at a young and impressionable age. An individual requires these qualities to lead a peaceful life even when one does not intend to become a scientist. So scientific temperaments must be developed in school students. तो ये तो आपने in favor में बता दिया. Right? Now invisibility was actually a curse for Griffin. Discuss with reference to your understanding of the story Footprints Without Feet. Now the ability to become invisible came to Griffin under the condition of nakedness. Now this was like a curse because it was horrible to be without clothes during the harsh winters. Every time he was on the verge of getting caught, Griffin had to quickly undress himself in order to escape. जैसे ही वो पकड़ने वाले होते थे उसको, ग्रिफिन फटाफट अपने क्लोथ्स उतार के वहां से भाग जाता था. In this way he was cursed to face the hostile climate to remain safe. Right? Question now, long one. What is the character without conscience? Now discuss with reference to Griffin its footprints without feet. ठीक है, इसमें ये नहीं है. Griffin was a brilliant scientist who conducted numerous experiments and finally invented the Horn formula to make the human body transparent. Now this was a major breakthrough in the world of science, but it got wasted. क्यों? Because the inventor did not have the conscience. He was a man of selfish character, devoid of a sense of social responsibility. उसके अंदर कोई social responsibility भी नहीं थी. His character was thus full of flaws. उसके अंदर पूरी गलतियां ही गलतियां भरी पड़ी थी. A good character cannot be shaped in the absence of conscience. We acquire the wisdom to choose the right path only when our conscience guides us. We come across multiple complex situations in life and are guided every time by our conscience. हमारे पास बहुत situations आती हैं जहां हमें decisions लेने पड़ते हैं, लेकिन हमारी जो inner conscience है यही तो हमें guide करती है कि क्या सही है और क्या गलत है और हमें कौन सा रास्ता choose करना है, right? चलिए. And hence, if Griffin had a conscience, he would have shared his inventions for the well-being of humanity and not to trouble anyone around him. Next, though an intelligent scientist, Griffin did not work for the welfare of society. Comment. The scientific discoveries are expected to benefit mankind. हम हमेशा यही expectation करते हैं कि जो scientific आपके inventions हैं ये इंसान के काम आएंगी. And scientists are supposed to work for the betterment of society. However, scientists like Griffin show little regard for society and use their discoveries to gain their own ends. Now, such scientists are not true and genuine in any way. Now, Griffin discovered a drug that could make a man invisible, but he misused this power for his own selfish good. He misused his invisibility to take revenge upon his landlord by burning his house. उसने अपने landlord का ही revenge लेने के लिए उसका house ही जला दिया था. He committed theft at a London store under the garb of invisibility. He also burgled a shop at Drury Lane and robbed the shopkeeper of his money because he could not be seen. अब सोचिए कितने गलत काम किए हैं उसने. And again he stole money from the clergyman's study at Iping and terrorized the halls in their own inn. Thus, in place of using the power of invisibility to help the needy, इंसान जरूरतमंद लोगों को help करने की बजाय उसने क्या किया? To check evils like crime, Griffin indulged in breaking the law. वो खुद ही कानून तोड़ने और laws, rules and regulations को तोड़ने में लग गया. Although intelligent, Griffin's potential as a scientist was certainly harmful. How does Griffin's invisibility became a blessing as well as a curse for him? उसके लिए blessing भी थी लेकिन ये curse भी बन गया. कैसे? So Griffin's ability to become invisible proved to be a blessing for him on many occasions. He went scot-free even after having committed the crime of burning his landlord's house. तो वो आराम से वहाँ से walk off कर पाया because he was invisible from there. The boys who sighted his muddy footprints to failed to grab him as he was invisible at that time. तो वो बच्चे भी उसको जो थे वो boys वो भी नहीं पकड़ पाए because he was invisible. He entered big London store unnoticed and at the closing time too nobody could notice his presence owing to its invisibility. वहाँ भी कोई उसको नहीं जान पाया. He enjoyed the warmth and luxuries of the store like a lord and managed to escape the next morning solely on account of his power to remain invisible. Similarly, his invisibility helped him at Iping too, and he was able to evade arrest at the hands of a dutiful Jeffords. तो ये सब जो पूरा पैराग्राफ था ये उसको कैसे invisibility ने help किया उसके ऊपर था. However, the curse, अब curse के ऊपर आते हैं, the curse of facing the freezing England winter chill without any clothes undid all the blessings enjoyed by him. जितनी भी blessings अब तक enjoy कर रहा था वो सब waste हो गई क्योंकि अब उसको वहाँ की इंग्लैंड की जो chilly winters थी उसमें bare cloth होके उसको without any clothes उसको वहाँ पे रहना था because of invisibility. He could use invisibility only at the cost of complete nakedness, which was life-threatening. Right? Now, besides, the ability to become invisible led him astray on the path of evil. Invisibility की वजह से उसको गलत रास्ते पे चलने के लिए मजबूर होना पड़ा. He became a habitual criminal and had to run from one place to another in order to escape the law. लॉ से भागने के लिए उसे इधर से उधर भागना जरूरी हो चुका था. Right? How did Griffin make good his escape from Iping? When Mrs. Hall confronted Griffin for having used witchcraft on her chair, he lost his temper and began to shout. जब Mrs. Hall ने कहा कि तुम कुछ magic use कर रहे हो मेरी chair पे, तो उसको बस तब गुस्सा आ गया. In a fit of anger, he suddenly threw off bandages, whiskers, spectacles, and even nose. बस उस गुस्से की उसमें उसने 1 मिनट में सब कुछ उतार दिया, all within a minute. The villagers who had gathered in the bar were horrified to see a headless man. ठीक है, आपको ये सारी चीजें लिखनी है, bandages, whiskers, spectacles and even the nose, right? और सब लोग वहां उसको देख के एकदम शाउट करने लगे. Mr. Jaffers, जो village के constable थे, too had arrived by this time and was equally surprised to find that he had to arrest a man without a head. And however, this did not prevent him from doing his duty. He was determined to carry out the orders as per the magistrate's warrant. It was immaterial to him whether the person to be arrested has a head or he doesn't have a head. His duty was the main thing for him. Now, this was followed by a real commotion when the policemen tried to get hold of Griffin, who threw off one garment after another and thus became gradually invisible. Right? Finally, Griffin threw his shirt into the air and the constable could see nothing at all. The people who tried to help Jaffers were hit by blows that the invisible Griffin punched at them. Now, in the end, Jaffer too was knocked down and became unconscious. Right? So, last में जो पुलिसमैन था वो भी knocked down हो गया, उसको भी गिरा दिया गया and अब वो unconscious हो गए थे. Excited and nervous, people shouted to hold Griffin, but he had shaken himself free and no one knew where to lay hands on him. अब किसी को नहीं पता था कि वो कहाँ गया और उसको कैसे पकड़ना है. Griffin used his weapon of invisibility to escape from Iping. और Griffin ने अपनी invisibility को use करके वहाँ से अपने आप को escape करने में successful हो गया. So these were the questions for the chapter Footprints Without Feet. I hope you will learn them nicely, catch hold of all the difficult words and the important words that are used in these answers. Thank you.